Hey guys, I just got lunch for myself, my mom, and my brother. We got Poke Zone, of course, and I am so ecstatic because I got something new today. Also, I got what I usually get, but I also got something new in addition to that, so. Whoa. Okay. This is the new thing I got. It's salmon pizza. So I got my classic salmon, crab, scallion, whatever, poke bowl. Poke. Is it poke or poke? I don't, whatever. I don't know the difference. But what I'm really here for is, this salmon pizza. I've never had it before. I've tried the tuna one and it was spicy, so I made sure not to get spicy on mine right now. Let me just show you a little close up. Okay, so I don't remember exactly what's on this salmon pizza, but it looks to be salmon, masago, crispy onion things, avocado. That looks about it. And like these pieces of lettuce on the side. Now I'm gonna try it now. I don't know how to eat this actually, but is it like sliced? Oh my god, it is! How is it sliced? Oh, okay. Am I supposed to eat it with the lettuce? I'm not going to. Okay. Nick, do you want to try it? Whoa. Oh my god, it's... okay. Oh, there's like sesame on it. Okay. Whoa. Holy crap, that's really good. Wow. My brother. You like it?
They're good.
Right?
That's really good.
So tasty.
What the heck?
It's supposed to be spicy mayo, but I didn't put that on because I don't like spicy mayo. Because I'm a little baby. My spice tolerance is not high, honestly. Onto the poke bowl. Okay, I'm gonna go get some work done, some editing done, catching up on a show, and I will see you later, and I'll let you know if we actually go to Kids Empire or have to find something else to do because the weather got bad. So I'll see you later, nonetheless.
We should go play basketball.
What's up, guys? It is bright and early Saturday morning. It's like 11 a.m. and Kaya and I are hiking. Oh my god, it's so icy! Look at this! Oh my god, this is like ice skating but horrible because I have no thing. It's terrifying. Why is it only here? Right, now we're on safer ice. Less likely to slip ice. But like, I'm gonna show you. The ice ends like right up there. I have an insane fear of slipping on ice because I've slipped on ice many times. We made it! Yes! Okay, well, we're just doing this quick walk to get our heart rates going. Kaya has to do an assignment where she has to walk for a mile, and I just wanted to get outside and with the fresh air. I miss hiking. I used to go hiking a lot, but I stopped. And yeah, I don't know why I stopped, but I really liked it. So I think I might pick that up again this summer. Hit a few points in New Jersey, North Jersey, whatever. After this, in a few hours, we're gonna go out to lunch, like early lunch, late dinner. We're going to an all-you-can-eat sushi place because Lisa loves her salmon nigiri. So we're gonna go there. And yeah. All right, I'm gonna go enjoy my hike and I will see you guys later. My shoes are so muddy and gross, but this view is so beautiful. So this is like the land bridge area. There's two bridges that connect land. And usually in the summertime we like kayaking on this pond river thing. Is this considered a lake? I guess it's a lake. I would say pond, maybe reservoir. But in the summer we like kayaking here. Whoa. Do 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 do. You see how shaky this bridge is? This is happening naturally. I'm guessing when the water rises, this whole thing gets washed out, obviously, because the water's pretty high from here. And we do flood pretty heavily in the summer sometimes when it's raining. Oh, look. This used to be one of the rocks they used to take pictures on. I think so, right? Wow, that's crazy. I'm gonna post a picture of the last picture I took on this rock. Right there. Hold on, you look like that guy from Mean Girls. She doesn't even go here. Okay, we're finishing up our hike now. We're literally at the end of it. So I'll see you when we get home. I don't know if you can hear this because the wind is like very heavy. But we'll see you when we get home. We're gonna get ready for this dinner lunch thing. So we're back home, all freshened up. Elisa specifically asked that we not wear anything over the top. So we are casual today. Casual today. Right? Super casual. Wow. Wow. Sorry.
That's what I'm...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Wow.
Oh my gosh, you look so adorable. Hi.
I don't know.
What are you eating?
Oh, a candy?
How does she eating a sour thing?
Yeah, how did she get it? Who gave it to her?
Vincent.
No way. Vincent gave it to Vivian.
He's like, here, have the sourness.
She likes it. You like the sour candy?
Well, those
No, Bailey. No.
She's just eating the salt.
I've given her a gummy.
Salt.
I've given her sour gummy
What's
one
on
before.
it?
The sour.
It's a Sour Patch Kid.
I've given her sour gummy. A shower. It was in the shower.
Today's Kay's birthday. She's about to walk in the door from work. We picked up all the sushi for her. Let me show you what I got real quick. This is chicken katsu, pork katsu, some side salads, rice for the katsus, 2 shrimp tempura rolls, salmon rolls, salmon donburi, or salmon don, and then 5 hand rolls. So Ritza could have that one because with the shrimp anyway. Oh, and then we got some lava cakes to stick a candle into. I don't know if breathe a sigh of relief.
Chocolate strawberry.
No, not yet.
Rainbow strawberry.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! It's so cute!
That's cute!
Cute.
Oh no, it fell!
It has a glitter.
R.I.P. That's so cute! Happy birthday to...
Oh my god.
Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kaya. Yay!
What do you mean I keep peeing in my mouth? Are you trying to tell me?
Lots of chocolate.
Yeah, I just need like a more bittersweet frosting.
Yeah. Like what?
I don't know.
You gonna eat that?
Yeah. 3 more.
It's good, Elise.
Is anyone gonna eat
It's
it?
good?
Okay, you like
you.
the strawberries?
Why are you yelling?
Okay, you like the strawberries?
She doesn't like the chocolate or strawberries like that.
Really?
Cake part.
Uh-oh, one just disappeared. What the heck?
That's why when we bought them, we didn't have to share them with her.
The cake part is good too.
Thank you.
No.
You know, one day he wasn't answering and I'm like, oh no, what did he do?
Oh.
I was like, he has an attitude, so he could get in trouble.
They might have saw them. They might have hired me.
Into the place, a spot you from a race. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and denim from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Sudden gaze and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away.
This is how the cream cheese wontons came out from the air fryer because I didn't have any frying oil. But oh my god, I think they came out really nice. They're crispy. I'm excited. Okay, so while the lo mein and everything is cooking, I washed my hair, slapped on some makeup. I know it's messy still, so it doesn't really make a difference, but it's fine. It's fine. This is what happened. And I'm back. We are gonna try this lo mein. I added cabbage in last minute. It looks so good and fibrous. It's definitely gonna get some gut health moving. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get some cabbage, green onion, beef, noodle. This is a hearty bite. Okay. Okay. That was so good. Wow. I made that. I made this. Kind of suspicious. It tastes really good. I'm surprised. It tastes like I ordered Chinese food. We have some exciting things. We're gonna go celebrate Kaya's birthday. I know her birthday was earlier in this vlog. We're actually gonna go and celebrate with her friends this weekend. So that's gonna be the next vlog. So I will talk to you then. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you next time. Bye!